Profitability tracking. Tracking revenue is easy. It's the big, flashy number everyone loves to brag about. But the real lifeblood of any business is profitability. The problem is, it's not always clear which clients or projects bring in the most profit. And until you know, you'll keep pouring time and energy into work that drains your bottom line. If you feel like no matter how many hours you put in, you still can't make those margins grow, you don't have a hustle problem, you have a data problem. In this video, I'll show you exactly how companies use Toggl Track to instantly spot their most profitable work and grow margins by 20% or more so you can do the same too. First, set labor costs for each workspace member. Click on Members in the sidebar to set labor costs for each member. If you want to define project-specific costs, go to Projects, select the relevant project, open the Team tab, and enter their cost under the Cost column. If you ever need to update a rate, for example after a pay rise, you can choose whether the change should apply retroactively to past data or only take effect going forward. Next, make sure you've also set your billable rates. In Toggl Track, you can define billable rates at 5 levels: workspace, member, project, project member, or even task, depending on how detailed you want your setup to be. For the sake of this video, we're going to focus on setting billable rates per workspace member. To do that, click on the members page on the left-hand sidebar. Add the billable rate for each member by clicking the field and editing it. With these two features set up, you have everything you need to turn your time entry data into insightful profitability reports. So come into Reports, then Profitability, and here you'll see your profitability dashboard at a glance. If the report appears empty when you first load it, you might need to define a date range. You can just click on this week or choose a custom date range. At the top, you can filter by team member, client, project, and more to see which activities and roles did the most for your bottom line. If you want to drill down into specific data, you can even build your own powerful filters by combining different properties. For example, you can filter for a specific project that also has a certain tag on it. This means you can build reports exactly the way you need with flexible filters that support and or grouping and various conditions. No more tiring exports or spreadsheets. Once you've filtered what you want to see, the line chart will show you the revenue, labor cost, and profitability all in one. If you just want to compare revenue to labor costs, you can change that on the side here. If you scroll down, you'll see a profitability leaderboard. Here you can quickly select, for example, the top 10 most profitable projects on the left and the bottom 5 least profitable clients on the right. You can do the same for team members, tasks, and more, which can really help with staffing decisions, deciding where you need to raise your rates and which projects are maybe not worth your time. Finally, at the bottom, you'll find a detailed breakdown that you can group however way you like, by projects and members, clients and projects, projects and tasks, and more, to see key details like costs, profit, and profitability percentage all in one view. If you want even more insights, you can add additional columns at the top to customize the table further. You can also easily save, share, and schedule reports for visibility across teams, clients, or stakeholders. To share a report, click Save and Share at the top right corner. If you want it to remain private, leave the Make Public toggle disabled. Click Save, go to Sharing Settings, and add the users you want to share it with. To share a report publicly, click Save and Share at the top, but this time enable the Make Public toggle. You'll then see a link letting you share it with anyone inside or outside your organization. To schedule reports via email, first save the report you want to schedule, go to Sharing Settings, Schedule, and enable email scheduling. Choose the frequency that you prefer and add recipients. Click Schedule Report, and this report will land in their email regularly. The best part is that getting started with Toggl Track is completely free. Use the link in the description to create your free account and explore all the ways Toggl Track can help your business. Some features are part of our premium plan, but you can try them out with a 30-day free trial, no credit card needed. Time to reclaim the power in your business, and that starts with clear profitability data.